Can you skip on cobblestone? Hey, on fish. I want to make this quick and short. May 23rd, 2023. Sony announces at 10 a.m. ESD, your time. It's EST, my time. GMT, 10 a.m. Eastern time. Yes, indeed. Is it going to be a camera? What they're doing? Debuting? Why is it so quiet? Why is nothing being talked about? And then all of a sudden, here we are with some announcements and speculations. A lot of people waiting for the Sony ZV-1 second generation. Oh man, I'm waiting for it too. I'm gonna just sit back and watch. And at 10:01, bingo, man! Are you gonna be in on the game? Or are you just gonna be there saying, we'll catch you later? So on that note, I am going to get on my butt, my bike, and out of here.